everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lori Dick, and today we're diving into a topic I know a lot of you are curious about: the impact of the upcoming 2024 presidential election on the housing market. It's a question that pops up, you guessed it, every 4 years, so let's break down what actually is happening and what we can expect going into next year. So here's the deal. Election years often bring a bit of a slowdown in home sales, and it's not just because of the season. According to data analyzed by BTIG, home sales tend to dip slightly more in the weeks leading up to election day than they usually would this time of year. So if you're a seller and your home is already on the market, you might see a slowdown in showings. Why is that? Well, uncertainty. Many buyers and sellers feel hesitant to make big decisions right before an election. In fact, a recent survey showed that 23% of first-time buyers are holding off until after the election. That's nearly a quarter of the potential buyers deciding on buying a home. But here's the good news. Historically, this slowdown is just temporary. Once the election is over, sales typically bounce back. Data from previous election cycles actually showed that it goes up 82% in the years following elections. So home sales will increase. Good news for you sellers. Why does this happen? Well, once the election results are in, people have a clear idea of what to expect, and that usually brings back confidence in buyers and sellers needing to make their move. Now, looking ahead into 25, the projections are promising. Experts are forecasting an increase in home sales. For this year, we're on track to hit about 4.6 million homes sold, but next year they're anticipating about 5.2 million. So yay. So while it might seem like the market is slowing down right now, remember it's likely just temporary. Once the election's over, we'll see buyers and sellers re-enter the market, picking up right where they left off. So what's this mean if you're selling your home? If you're not on the market right now, get your home ready and be prepared to list as soon as possible to take advantage of that uptick after the election. If you're a buyer, why not be looking now where there's less competition? We do not see elections having a serious impact on housing until months or even years after a change in administration. So bottom line, election years often bring a pause and tell us that it's just that, a pause. So big thanks to Keeping Current Matters for their insights and data helping us make sense of these trends. If you're curious about what's happening in our local market, we've got the latest stats for Stillwater and Hudson in the description below. And if you're looking for specific stats in your area or neighborhood or need advice, feel free to reach out. We're always here to guide you towards your best life. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might be curious about what's going on in real estate right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.